Welcome investors! Today I would like to talk about investing in biotech companies. My previous video was about Unity Biotechnology. I gave you my point, and today I would like to talk a little bit about generally investing in smaller biotechnological companies. First, let me start from looking into current state of our medicine from the perspective of chronic diseases like arthritis, asthma, Alzheimer's disease, Lou Gehrig disease, heart disease. All those are chronic diseases. And unfortunately, for past 100 years, our progress about curing those diseases didn't change much. Knowledge about human body, we decoded our DNA. We have much more knowledge. There is much more information. But those chronic diseases, they are still a mystery. We don't know how to cure them. Let's take a look at the Unity Biotechnology really quickly. They are trying still to cure arthritis. Okay? Arthritis is something which many people suffers. Their joints have a lot of pain. And Unity was trying to remove senescent cells, and thanks to this they were trying to cure our joints. It doesn't work that simple. But on another side, next to our, I would say, conventional / pharmaceutical medicine, we have something which is traditional medicine, natural medicine. And in this natural medicine, you have something which is called vitamins. Okay? And speaking exactly, let's talk a little bit more about arthritis, okay, and about joints pain. You have something in natural medicine within vitamin varieties. You have something which is called vitamin K2MK7, which is something which is taking calcium away from our bodies and storing it into the proper place. And one of the reasons for having joints pain / arthritis is calcium buildup in our joints, also veins and arteries. How do I know this? Because I experienced something like this during my life a couple years ago. I started having severe pain in my hips, in my knee. Why? Because for many years I ate a lot of milk. I ate a lot of dairies. And milk, of course, has vitamin D3, which is helping to absorb calcium. Absorb. But when this calcium gets into our bodies, doesn't know where to go. Then there comes vitamin K2MK7. If you don't have vitamin K2MK7, then this calcium end up in soft tissues like your veins, arteries, and joints. So I started having huge pains. Then I went to the doctor, and my doctor gave me pain medications. When I came back and told him that this is not helping me because I still have a pain, he gave me more pain medications. When I came back to him again, then he told me, you know what, within a couple years we might consider doing arthroscopic surgery, cleaning up your hips, and then if it doesn't help, eventually we will do your hip replacement. I was like, wow, whoa. I don't want this. There might be some another way to help me. And I started researching about vitamin K2MK7. And I was like, hey, how about if my arthritis and the root cause of my chronic arthritis is the calcium buildup? There's many more different root causes of arthritis, like autoimmune attack from your own body and more. But I was thinking, hey, maybe the calcium buildup is the cause of my pain in my joints because I ate a lot of dairies. Calcium is causing inflammation, and then inflammation is causing the pain. So I started taking K2MK7. And you know what? After a couple months, my pain was 90% gone. 90% gone. I cure chronic disease, which in pharmaceutical medicine is considered uncurable. Okay? If someone from medical field is watching me, some professors or doctors, I want to challenge you. Yes, I did cure the chronic disease using natural compound, vitamin K2MK7. And now I'm almost pain-free. Naturally, I attack the root cause of the chronic disease. On the other side, you have all pharmaceutical industry, Unity Biotechnology, like I said in previous video, how they are trying to cure the chronic diseases, arthritis, by removing already dead cells. So what they do, they don't attack the root cause of the disease, they attack the symptoms. They attack the symptoms. So that's why I'm very skeptical about investing in biotechnological small companies. Entire pharmaceutical industry has underlying meaning, which is if everybody is healthy, we are going out of business. That's why all the synthetic drugs which they have, they help a little bit, but they don't cure the root cause of the chronic diseases. They cure the symptoms. That's why I don't invest into the biotechnology small companies, because they are approaching entire situation from the wrong direction, in my view. From their perspective, they are approaching this right, because you cannot patent vitamin K2MK7 because it is a natural compound. An entire concept of pharmaceutical industry is based on patenting substances, on patenting synthetic substances, because then they can have exclusive sale of certain synthetic drug and make a huge money. That's how it works. That's how it works. So that is my take about investing into biotech, small pharma companies. I'm not really excited about investing in them because it's also a little bit, in my view, not ethical. What they're trying to do, they are trying to, like I said again, approach the entire problem from the end direction, from the end point, instead of from the beginning. But no one is going to give from pharma huge money for researching vitamins. Vitamin K2MK7, vitamin D3, vitamin E, vitamin A, which are all really important to our bodies. Because like I said, these are natural compounds, they are vitamins, and they cannot be patented, and there is no money for pharmaceutical industry. By the way, if you are interested in vitamin K2MK7, which is really amazing compound, there is a great book based on research on pure research. It's called Calcium Paradox. I'll post the link into this book. If you have anybody in your family who is suffering from arthritis or veins or arteries calcification, read this book, okay? Read this book. Don't believe this funny speaking guy on YouTube who is telling you that he found the cure to the chronic disease, to arthritis, okay? Read this book. Do your own study. Then then came to your own conclusions. Okay, that's it for today. Talking about medical issues. If you have opinion, please write me down your opinion, negative and positive. Negative or welcome. Just explain your position. I will respond to you. If you like this video, hit the thumb up. Share this video with your friends on Twitter, Facebook. Help me to spread the word about very simple investing. I deeply appreciate your time spent with me. Today was a little bit different, not strictly about stocks, about money, but my approach, this was kind of explanation of my approach towards the investing in pharmaceutical industry. I do have something which is called Vanguard healthcare fund. It's called healthcare, but in reality it is pharmaceutical fund, because the biggest company within this fund are pharmaceutical companies. But these are big companies and they are not going anywhere. And like I said earlier, I'm not investing into simple small companies like Unity Biotechnology or another small companies. This is out of the picture. I would rather invest in a different small company from a different field. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video. I appreciate deeply your time, and like always, take care about your most important asset, which is your health. Have a great day.